Good afternoon, Tempest Restoration. Rachel speaking. How can I help?
I've just come back to find the whole of my kitchen's flooded.
Okay, if I can just take the details, please. Customer name. Thank you. And the address. Yes, and telephone number? Okay. And any additional phone numbers that you have there? That's fine. That's no problem. That's great. Just uploaded that on the system for you, and a technician will be calling as soon as possible. Hi, it's Rachel. Yes, we have a new instruction on the system. If you can please check the information for me and give them a call as soon as you can. That's great. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Tempest Restoration are one of the leading fire and water damage specialists, providing a national emergency call-out service 24/7. The Tempest technicians are some of the most highly trained in the UK, using innovative reporting tools to collect important information regarding a claim, including documentary evidence, images, and when necessary, videos of the damage caused. Our ability to identify pre-existing building faults and key fraud indicators have helped insurers save thousands of pounds. Tempest technicians provide a comprehensive report back to insurers, identifying any pre-existing structural damage, both internally and externally, that may affect the claim. As water or smoke damage contents continue to be replaced, is there another alternative that could help the insurance industry save even more money on the average property claim? The answer is one we have been passionate about since 1998. Contents Restoration. Tempest have shown that significant savings can be made over the total claim value by adopting a proactive approach to content restoration. By quick deployment, the vast majority of carpets, kitchens and soft furnishings can be saved, which we feel is a fantastic opportunity to not only reduce cost, but also reduce the environmental impact of property claims. By having technicians on site and ready to commence work within 4 hours, you will reduce the amount of building work required per claim and have a better chance of keeping policyholders in their own property.
It's Rachel calling from Tempest Restoration. Yes, just calling to check everything's okay with you. Yes, everything went okay, no worries? Oh, that's good. Oh, I'm glad about that. Thanks very much. Thank you. Thanks. Bye-bye.